Welcome to a haven of modern luxury, where nature and design intertwine. This stunning contemporary home seamlessly blends cutting-edge style with the raw beauty ebony stained cedar walls, rich and dramatic whisper sophistication. Mahogany window frames, warm and inviting, peek out onto breathtaking coastal views. Polished concrete floors flow throughout, reflecting the abundant natural light that, inspired by Japanese minimalism, clean lines and a tranquil aura permeate every space. More than just a place to live, this is an experience. In the coming minute, we'll delve deeper into the design choices that make this contemporary. Dark, rich cedar walls wrap around the courtyard, their ebony stain a luxurious contrast to the light flooding in from expansive mahogany windows. Polished concrete floors reflect the dappled sunlight, filtering through the leaves of meticulously chosen plants. Here, the modern and the natural world meet in perfect harmony. Racked gravel creates a calming canvas, punctuated by the careful placement of rocks, each whispering of ancient Japanese design principles. A central water feature, its gentle trickle, the only sound besides the rustling leaves, completes the picture of tranquility. A cool breeze carries the scent of meticulously pruned greenery from the adjoining Japanese-inspired courtyard. Here, in the open expanse of the wood, the minimalist sofa beckons, its clean lines echoing the uncluttered design philosophy. Gone are the days of compartmentalized living. Here, the kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area, fostering connection and conversation. Mahogany window frames, a luxurious counterpoint to the dark cedar, strategically capture the sun's rays, bathing the space in a golden glow. The absence of walls creates a sense of spaciousness, allowing the eye to travel freely and appreciate the interplay of textures. Step outside onto the meticulously designed patio, an extension of the living area. Stepping stones meander through a sea of meticulously placed greenery, a tranquil oasis mirroring the serenity within. Enter a haven of tranquility, a contemporary bedroom designed for ultimate relaxation. Deep, ebony-stained cedar walls envelop the space, their rich texture a stark contrast to the cool, polished concrete floors. The natural beauty of the wood creates a sense of connection to the outdoors, a feeling amplified by the grand windows that frame breathtaking views of the natural world. The bed, a minimalist masterpiece, sits center stage. Its clean lines and neutral tones complement the surrounding environment. Lush, white linens beckon, promising a restful slumber. Sunlight dances across the room, highlighting carefully curated accents. Here, a hand-woven rug in a soft, oatmeal hue adds a touch of warmth. This is a home that embraces its surroundings. The dark tones of the wood echo the charcoal hues of the distant mountains, while the expansive windows mirror the endless expanse of the ocean. It's a sanctuary, a place of peace and tranquility, where the rhythm of the waves lulls you to sleep each night, and the sunrise paints the walls with a golden glow each morning. This is coastal living at its finest, a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Thank you. So music, as we conclude this glimpse into contemporary coastal living, we're left with a sense of serenity. The home, a beautiful marriage of natural materials and modern design, reflects the tranquility of its surroundings. The ebony-stained cedar walls and mahogany accents stand in harmony with the concrete and glass, creating a space that breathes and connects seamlessly with the natural world. This is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary, a place to unwind and embrace the calming essence of coastal living. Essence of coastal living. Thank you.